Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You will create a single source of truth, a use media query hook that reads match media and returns a Boolean. First, set initial state from window. Match media query. Matches because that gives the immediate value, then add a change listener so updates flow to React. Once done, update state inside the listener and return a cleanup function to remove the listener. This approach is reactive and deterministic. It avoids polling and keeps components simple. You will import and call the hook inside any functional component. For example, use media query, minwidth, 768px. Then, branch your JSX or apply class name conditionally so layout and behavior adapt. Make sure to handle server-side rendering by choosing a safe default, typically false, and then let client hydration adjust after mount. Also, ensure the listener updates state, so once the viewport changes, the UI re-renders and you will apply conditional styling. Switch class names, inline styles, or pass props into styled components when the hook returns true. Then test in dev tools, mobile emulators, and real devices. Make sure orientation and resize trigger updates. Finally, if your UI shows wrong layouts after navigation or refresh, inspect the listener binding and cleanup, and confirm the SSR default value isn't misleading. One key troubleshooting tip: always remove old listeners and prefer add event listener with a stable handler so you don't leak or miss updates.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.